Holy moly. I've never seen.
On Thursday, September 16th, a severe storm hit Bayside, leaving downed trees, snapped power lines, and debris in its wake. On 41st Avenue, one of the snapped power lines caught fire. On 209th Street, a tree about 60 feet in height was uprooted and fell across neighbors' yards.
We were taking a nap and then we saw branches fly by. It's a very old tree and it almost hit the house. But it didn't. Well, we were inside the dealership and it just got completely dark. You could not see anything. And something came and hit the front of the dealership. So there's a glass that's broken in front. It started raining inside. And when I went outside, my car was just covered in trees.
Was this the worst storm you've seen?
In all my years of living in Queens, absolutely. Worse than any snowstorm catastrophe that I've ever seen. This is horrible. This is bad. This is very bad.
By nightfall, cleanup had already begun, as Matt Lavaco pulled out his chainsaw to cut down trees on 209th Street. However, many streets were pitched into darkness, illuminated only by passing cars.